This OBDCAR AFM Disabler for General Motors engines reliably keeps the cylinders in full power mode, which many drivers find improves response and consistency. Installation is genuinely straightforward because you just connect it to the diagnostic port, wait for the indicator lights, and drive without any complicated setup. It works with a wide range of General Motors 6-cylinder and 8-cylinder vehicles, including many trucks and sport utility vehicles that use active or dynamic fuel management. Because it does not overwrite the engine control unit, you can simply remove the device to restore the vehicle to its original behavior at any time. Once installed, the driving feel is typically smoother, with fewer abrupt transitions between different cylinder modes during cruising and acceleration. The compact size and low power draw make it easy to leave plugged in during daily use, as long as you remember to remove it when the vehicle will sit for extended periods.